Hey guys, how you doing? Peter Vox, Director and Principal Teacher of Vox Singing Academy, coming at you from our Brunswick studio here, and I have one of my exceptional teachers with me, Regan. I'm sitting in and seeing Regan's classes, keeping up our high standards of singing education. And we are just coming at you live here, and we're just saying that we are still open, and we are giving private one-on-one lessons until we are told otherwise. We're sanitizing everything, spraying everything, wiping everything down after every class. So we're taking every precaution to keep everyone safe. But again, we don't want to live in fear. So we're still operating until we're not allowed to, and we're in lockdown. And then once that time happens, we are going to be going on Skype and Zoom. So all our teachers are all trained up and ready for that if that happens. Hopefully it doesn't. But if that does happen, we will be going on to Skype and Zoom lessons. Great quality, and the lessons will just continue as normal as they always do. And yeah, that's pretty much all I sort of really want to say. Do you want to throw in anything, Regan?
I just think I hope everyone's healthy and happy and just not stressing out too much in this time. Just try and relax and spend some time with the people closest to you only, but just relax.
Yeah, stay positive, and really, it's a great opportunity to take singing lessons as well too, and do some things that are fun as well too during these times where we're not allowed to go out and socialise. So it's a perfect thing to go and do some lessons, train your voice up, write some songs, practice, have some fun at home, so that when this epidemic finishes, everyone go out and put these skills all into place. I know a lot of my guys that are writing original songs, they're in lockdown now, and they're writing more songs than what they're supposed to be doing. They're doubling up their song output at the moment. I've got some guys that are releasing some EPs, and they're going to be doing albums now because they're sitting at home just writing more. So this is the perfect opportunity. When given lemons, make lemonade. So I think it's a great opportunity for everyone to go on the front foot, and we really have as well too. So we've got online lessons, we've got the ultimate online singing course as well too. So if you can't afford lessons with our establishment, the online singing course, the 4 full courses start at $14.95, stream to your device anywhere, high quality singing lessons anywhere. Entry level, intermediate, advanced, and pro full courses. We also have 17 custom courses as well too, Regan. Not quite sure whether you knew that, but we have got how to be the ultimate rock singer, R&B singer, balladeer, how to sing in your falsetto, expand your higher range and true voice, breathing for intermediate, breathing for beginners, stage presentation, how to scream, how to sing like a rock singer. So 17 short custom courses as well too, and they start at $7.95. Which is great value. It really is. It's great value. My lessons are $55 per half an hour. So you're basically getting me and another female teacher as well too. So I do all the male scales and the examples, and we've got a female teacher that comes in and does that, does all the female examples through everything. And they cover everything as well too. Breathing, stage presentation, songwriting, every genre, every contemporary genre they basically pretty much cover. So they're absolutely fantastic. So there's no reason to stop and put everything on hold. And again, everyone's got to stay positive. We will get through this. This too will pass. It's one of my favorite sayings. And, we will get through this. Stay positive, stay healthy.
Keep singing.
Keep singing. Have fun. Singing's a great thing for your health. Releases endorphins as well too. So it's great. Circulates your blood. Oxygenates your body, gets your lungs working, and releases endorphins, makes you feel good. And that's probably why we love teaching, because we can sing all the time. So, but that's pretty much it, guys. We've also got 2 YouTube channels as well too, with great free quality content on there as well too. The 5-Minute Singer, which has got like short tutorials, and for longer podcasts and video podcasts and interviews and different things like that, we've got it on the Vox Singing Academy YouTube channel. So check that if you're bored as well too. Today I actually released the full 1.5 hour Big Sing Festival, Regan. So the full thing is up there, so everyone can watch that. And it's basically how to sing like a rock star. Sold out. I had people in the aisles there as well too. So it was a big festival. Fantastic to do that. So that's released today on our YouTube channels. Had a couple other things released as well too. Yesterday had how to use your microphone technique correctly when you're singing a higher notes. So check that out. So there's lots of great free tutorials there as well too, if you just want to doodle around and have a look through those. But if you want some high quality singing tuition, the best tuition that you can basically get in Australia, and we pride ourselves on that, to give the best singing tuition, let us know. We're still operating from our 6 studios here until we're told we're not allowed to. And then if you don't want to, we've also got Skype classes and Zoom classes. And a few students have sort of already gone over to those as well too. So things as normal. Check this guy's band out as well too, Cold Words as well too. They've got an EP that was released last year. Got a bunch of singles. You can check Regan's work out up on YouTube. You can also go to all the big players and have a listen to the Cold Words EP as well too. So you can get that on Spotify, iTunes, Google Play, all these places. You can check out his video clips on YouTube as well too. So check him out. Regan's an accomplished singer-songwriter as well too. Been doing it most of his life. Your band before this, Regan, was
Left for Wolves.
Left for Wolves, so check that out. More of a sort of post-hardcore sort of band. So check that out. Regan's Cold Words project is more, I would call it, progressive rock, progressive pop rock, alternative, ambient alternative. Yes.
There we go. That's it.
So that pretty much sort of sums up. Fantastic. Really good soundscape. Amazing vocals on there as well too. So check it out. And yeah, look, Regan can help you out with your songwriting, recording. He's been in the recording studio for numerous projects as well too. Accomplished guitarist as well too. Can also play other instruments, but accomplished guitarist, singer, songwriter. And we're really happy to have him at Vox Singing Academy teaching vocals now. He's an amazing addition to the already large Vox Singing Academy family. Thanks everyone for watching. Really appreciate it. Stay positive through these times. That's the main thing. Just load yourself up with really good quality, positive information, especially regarding this virus as well too. Everyone's got their opinion on it at the moment, so go and seek from the experts. Stay positive, stay healthy, have fun though, and if we can help you out with your singing, let us know. Peace and love.